everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now so you don't miss out on my other videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own at-home leave-in conditioner spray. This is something that I've been using for quite a while now and I want to share that with you. So if you want to see how I make my own at-home leave-in conditioner spray, then just continue to watch the video. The products that we're going to be using to make our leave-in conditioner, the first one that we're going to use is the Infusium 23. I've been using this for a few years now. There's this girl that I know, her name is Holly, and I remember mentioning to her one time that her hair was so pretty, and she said that she uses this, and she recommended it to me. So I've been using it ever since. And what I like most about this product, and you're probably not going to be able to read it, is the ingredients on the back. It does not have alcohol in it. It doesn't have alcohol in it, which, you know, alcohol is drying to your hair, so I really don't understand how a lot of products have alcohol in them. You know, I get like hairsprays and stuff like that, but products that are supposed to be like repairing and restorative to your hair, why does it have alcohol in it? So this doesn't. That's one of the biggest reasons why I like it. And then we're going to be using a little bit of liquid coconut oil. And then we have natural vitamin E oil. We'll be using a little bit of that. And then we have lavender essential oil. So we'll be using a little bit of that as well. And I've got my little spray bottle here. I think this used to have some type of like hair oil or something like that for that OXY brand. So I just have repurposed this bottle. So I'm going to take that off. And I have been needing to do this tutorial for quite some time, like a couple of weeks now, and I've just been taking a little bit of my Infusium 23 and a little bit of coconut oil and putting enough in here to get me through till then, because I didn't want to do a whole bottle and have to wait again till it's empty to do this video. So I've just been putting a little bit in as I go when I need it. So I'm glad to finally get this video done. Alright, we got our little funnel, so that'll make a mess. Okay, so we're going to take our drops of lavender. So I got my lavender here. And I'm going to probably do about 5 or 6 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there were 6. Lavender is just good for your hair follicles, so we like that. We're going to do the tiniest, I still got the thing on there so it doesn't all come out at once. We're going to do the tiniest bit of vitamin E oil. It's just not coming out. Alright, that's pretty good. When it kind of starts to pool at the bottom, see how it's like at the bottom there? That's enough. If you put too much in there, then it just gets like really oily. And you don't really want that in your hair either. You don't want to look like a grease ball every time. Alright, and then we've got our coconut oil. And I just take off the lid. I don't like to use the little thing there. I feel like I get more control this way. Alright. Alright, then we're going to shake up our Infusium 23 and we're going to fill almost all the way to the top. Put our lid back on, and then every time you use this, you'll need to shake it up before you spray it in your hair. So just give it a good shake. Alright, so that's how I make my own at-home leave-in conditioner spray. When you use this, you'll want to use this with your hair damp or wet, so right after you've washed your hair. You'll just want to, and I usually like will lean over and I will spray it on the ends, lean over the other side, spray it on the ends, and then I will comb it through like with my hands, kind of do one of these, So you know what I mean? Just make sure you get it kind of on every strand evenly, but you don't want to put in too much of this because it will make your hair look pretty greasy. I've done that before, so just, you know, take it easy on it. This should last you at least, I don't know, 3 months. So, because I only wash my hair twice a week, so this lasts me quite a while. But, yeah, and then you'll take your wet comb. Make sure you guys have a wet comb if you haven't had one yet. You know what? I'm going to go grab mine and show you. Okay. So I got my wet combs here. But this one I will use first, and I will just like go through the ends and kind of like comb up and make sure I got both sides. And then this one I go through next, and I just start combing out, you know, all the way up, combing out again down here, and going all the way up. But yeah, I love these wet brushes. If you don't have any of these, you don't need both of them. That's just what I do, but they're pretty good. I'd get one, especially ones that look like this, and maybe not this exact like shape, but ones that are like this wet brush like this. I would get one of these. They're really great. But yeah, so that's how I use that. Just don't put a lot in, and then comb it out, and then you can either air dry or blow dry your hair. I've done both, but I mainly air dry my hair just because I don't like to do a lot of damage, so I really don't blow dry my hair a lot. I usually let my hair air dry. So normally I'll shower at night and let my hair air dry overnight. But what else can I say? I think that's about it. So if you have any questions about this, just leave it down in the comments below. If you make your own leave-in conditioner, please comment down below as well. Let me know what you use. Maybe I should be using something better. And that's about it. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now, and check out some of my other DIY at-home products that I make as well. And I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.